Hello friends, welcome to tutorial. Our today video is based on an important topic, history of EVM, its importance in democracy and use in India. In every democracy, elections are the cornerstone of people's power, where citizens exercise their right to choose leaders and decide the future of their nation. But how do we ensure the process is fair, transparent, and efficient? The answer lies in the electronic voting machine, or EVM. In this video, we will explore the history, importance, and use of EVMs, with a special focus on India. History of EVM, its importance in democracy, and use in India. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's crucial for understanding how modern democracies function, electronic voting machines, or EVMs. From their invention to their widespread use in elections, we'll discuss why these machines are so vital to the democratic process, with a special emphasis on India. Before EVMs, the election process was largely dependent on paper ballots. While this system worked for centuries, it had its flaws. The counting process was slow, prone to human error, and sometimes, even tampering. These challenges led to the need for a more secure, reliable, and efficient solution. In the early 1980s, India's Election Commission began experimenting with a new concept, electronic voting machines. The idea was to replace the traditional paper ballots with an electronic system that could make the voting process faster and more secure. The concept was pioneered by Dr. S. Ramaswamy and his team of engineers at the Electronics Corporation of India Limited, ECIL. After several trials, the first successful EVMs were used in a by-election in 1982 in the city of Kerala. The system was tested and refined over several years, and by 1999, EVMs were used in a national election for the first time in India. So, why are EVMs so important in a democracy? Let's break it down. Advantages of EVMs. EVMs bring several advantages to the table. First, they ensure accuracy. With paper ballots, the risk of human error in counting votes is significant. But with an EVM, votes are directly recorded and counted electronically, reducing the chances of mistakes. Second, EVMs improve efficiency. Counting votes in large elections used to take days, but with EVMs, results are available within hours. This quick turnaround ensures that the democratic process is timely and transparent. Third, EVMs are secure. Tampering with an electronic voting machine is much more difficult than manipulating paper ballots, and the security features in modern EVMs make it even harder to breach. Finally, environmental impact. EVMs reduce the need for paper, contributing to environmental sustainability. Now, let's look at how EVMs are used in India. The Election Commission of India has played a crucial role in ensuring the widespread adoption and success of EVMs in the country's elections. Today, EVMs are used in all of India's elections, from local body elections to national general elections. The machines are designed to be tamper-proof, and they undergo rigorous testing before each election to ensure their integrity. The EVM is a game changer for the Indian electoral process. It has reduced the possibility of electoral fraud, increased voter participation, and has made the entire process faster and more reliable. While EVMs have been revolutionary, there has been some debate and controversy surrounding their use. Some critics have raised concerns about potential manipulation or hacking, despite the stringent safeguards. However, the Election Commission continues to address these issues through transparency, audits, and regular updates to the technology. Public awareness and confidence in EVMs are essential for a functioning democracy. The Election Commission regularly organizes demonstrations to educate the public about how the machines work and ensure their trust in the process. So, in conclusion, electronic voting machines have transformed the way we vote. They've made elections faster, more secure, and more efficient. In India, they have played a vital role in ensuring free and fair elections, a cornerstone of any democracy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And let us know your thoughts on EVMs in the comments below. How do you think they have changed the way elections are conducted in our country? Until next time, stay informed and stay curious. Thanks for watching tutorial. Subscribe it for more educational content.